Hi, in front of me is TCL 20L, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. After that, tap on Theme and choose Show More to see all available options. When you're done, you can pick one of those images, click on the chosen one, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off, and tap Apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!